What if your everyday spending, coffee, groceries, even Netflix could actually pay you back instead of draining your wallet? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risk such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. Let's start by actually looking at the Level Up program in action right here on the website. You can actually see what Crypto.com is offering with Level Up. Extra rewards, lower fees, and real lifestyle perks. The best part is that new users get a 30-day free trial, which means that you can try the premium benefits completely risk-free. So you're not locked into anything on day one. You can just test it, see if it makes sense for you, and decide later. Inside the Crypto.com app, activating Level Up is very straightforward. You simply open the Level Up section, choose the tier you want, confirm your subscription, and all the benefits unlock immediately. There are no complicated steps, no confusing menus, no technical setup. It's designed for everyday users, not just crypto experts. Now, it's before we dive deeper into Level Up, it's important to understand what Crypto.com actually is. Crypto.com is not just a simple crypto trading app. It's a full financial ecosystem used by millions of people around the world. Inside one single app, you can buy and sell crypto, earn rewards, send payments, spend with a Visa card, track your portfolio, and manage everyday finances. The idea behind Crypto.com is to connect traditional finance with digital assets in a way that feels normal and easy. So instead of needing 5 different apps and services, everything is in one place. And the Level Up program sits on top of all of that, making the entire experience even more powerful. Think of Level Up like a premium membership that boosts everything you're already doing inside the app. Now, this is where Level Up becomes really interesting. The financial rewards, right? With Level Up, you can earn up to 6% in CRO rewards on your everyday spending. Let's make that really simple. If you're already spending money on things like, groceries, online shopping, travel, subscriptions, everyday purchases, Level Up allows you to earn crypto back on all of that. So instead of just spending money and getting nothing in return, you're building up rewards every single month. On top of that, Level Up offers, waived trading fees. For anyone who trades crypto regularly, this is a massive benefit. Normally every time you buy or sell, fees slowly eat into your profit. With Level Up, those fees are reduced or completely removed up to certain limits. Depending on your tier, over time, especially for active users, that can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So the program isn't just about perks. It can actually make a real financial difference. Now, let's talk about the lifestyle side of Level Up. This is where the program becomes more than just a crypto tool. It becomes something you can actually use in daily life. Level Up includes rebates on popular services like Netflix and Spotify. So subscriptions you're already paying for every month, it can effectively be discounted or even completely covered instead of those payments just disappearing from your bank account. Level Up gives you real value back, and if you travel, the perks get even better. Certain Level Up tiers include airport lounge access. That means free food, free drinks, comfortable seating, and a much more relaxed travel experience. These are the kind of benefits normally reserved for expensive premium credit cards. But here, They are bundled directly into your crypto.com membership. So level up isn't just about trading crypto, it's about upgrading your everyday financial life. When you put it all together, level up is really about getting more from money you're already spending, more rewards, lower fees, better perks, and a smoother overall experience inside the crypto.com ecosystem. And with a 30-day free trial, there's really no downside to testing it for yourself if you're already using crypto.com. Or planning to level up is one of the easiest ways to maximize the platform. Earn up to 5% APY on your cash balances, helping your money work harder while it sits in your account. Get stock and ETF transfer bonuses of up to 3%, making it even more rewarding to bring your investments over. And after the trial, the subscription starts at just $4.99 a month, an affordable way to unlock premium benefits. Take your wealth to the next level without changing your routine. Start your free 30-day level up trial today to unlock rewards, for everyday life.